Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of the definite integral guys, and according to this question we have to check which option is correct guys. So the question is the limit 0 tends to 2 by 3 dx by 4 plus 9x square. Are you getting my points? And the limit is 0 tends to 2 by 3, okay, dx by, now I am going to terminate the coefficient of x square guys. So we can take the common 9 from the all this term guys, okay. So we can take the common, and after taking the common we can write here the 9 here outside, and we can write the 4 by 9 guys and plus x square. In this form guys, we are always trying to terminate and eliminate the coefficient of x square guys, okay. Are you getting my points? So now you can write here 0 tends to 2 by 3, and we can write here the 1 by 9 in the outside guys, okay. Are you getting my points? Okay. And now we can write dx by 4 by 9 plus x square, okay. And 1 by 9, 0 tends to 2 by 3, okay. And now we can write 4 by 9 is equal to 2 by 3 whole square, we can write here guys, and plus x square, okay. And now I am going to write the one formula guys, that is the form of this guys. So we can write here, we know that 1 by a square plus x square integration, right, is equal to dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So this is the formula guys, right. So you can remember this formula because this is the very important formula guys, right. So now we can write this term is equal to 1 by 9, and after that we can write 1 by a means 1 by a means 1 by 2 by 3. So we can write directly 3 by 2. We don't have any problem guys, okay. And tan inverse x by a, okay. So what is the value of x guys, and what is the value of a? So we can write the 2 by 3 in division guys. So when we multiply and when we send the denominator into numerator, so it will become the 2 by 3 become the 3 by 2. So we can write the 3 by 2. And what is the limit? The limit is 0 tends to 2 by 3. Are you getting my points guys? Now we can cancel 3 3 is 9, okay. And after cancel we can write here the 1 by 6. Now I am going to put the value 2 by 3 once again, and then after put the value of 0. So after putting tan inverse, we can write here tan inverse 3 by 2 into 2 by 3, okay, minus tan inverse 0. So after putting 0 it will become 0 guys, okay, tan inverse 0, right. Are you getting my points guys? So now we can write here 1 by 6, and in which it will become the 1. So we can say that tan inverse tan pi by 4, because in tan 1 is equal to tan pi by 4, and we know that tan inverse tan pi by 4 equal to pi by 4, right. And this term is equal to 0 because in the tan we can say that 0 is the value of the tan 0. So tan inverse tan 0 is equal to 0. So we can directly write here the pi by 24, okay. So it will be the correct answer guys. Thank you.